Hi you guys, it's Brittany from the blog thebeautyrevival.com, and today I wanted to share with you how we clean our white sectional and what my new favorite product is for those stubborn stains that I can't get out with my usual cleaning regime. And I'm going to share all of that with you in this video, so let's get to it. Looking much better. Still needs to dry. That's the pesky little stain that I can't get out, but it is lightening. And I think it's because the stain is now under the top. Oh, there comes the sun. Okay, so one of you lovely ladies told me about Folex and said it's all the influencer rage, and I said I've never even heard of it. But my mother-in-law grabbed me some while she was out running errands, so we're gonna try it on, I won't do that, on this stain.
Oh, those are cute. I like those.
Okay, the Folex totally worked. I sprayed it about 10 times. And you're just supposed to take a cloth and really scrub it. And you don't have to let it sit or anything. You just spray it and scrub, spray it and scrub, and it came out. This is where it was. You can maybe just very faintly see it, but it worked really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. A white sectional does require a little bit of maintenance. I probably clean mine about once a month. But it is so satisfying once you get it nice and clean and it's bright and white again. So it's totally worth it in my opinion, and I hope you guys found that video helpful. You can check out the description box below for links for similar white sectionals to ours. And if you're in Canada, our sectional is from the Brick. It's called the Gina sectional. All right, if you want to hit that subscribe button, we would love it if you followed along. You can also find us on Instagram at the.beautyrevival and on Pinterest at The Beauty Revival, as well as our blog, thebeautyrevival.com. Have a great day.